Passive income gets hyped as the shortcut to financial freedom. But most so-called passive income businesses turn out to be expensive, stressful, and anything but hands-off. This video pulls back the curtain on 10 business models often sold as passive income streams, but they usually feel more like second jobs. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Why I believe most passive income isn't actually passive. People treat the phrase passive income like a guarantee, but most income streams only look passive until you're the one running them. Unless someone else is handling everything and doing it well, you're still involved. Passive income isn't automatic, and believing it is can cost you time and money. Number 1. Laundromats take work. Laundromats sound simple until machines break, water leaks, or someone vandalizes the place. You'll either be on call or paying someone who is. Utility bills, customer complaints, and equipment repairs are constant realities. There's nothing passive about keeping machines or people running. Number 2. Storage facilities take time and capital. Self-storage is marketed as easy real estate cash flow, but it's a complex operation. You're dealing with repairs, security systems, late-paying tenants, and weather-sensitive equipment. If it's climate-controlled, the costs and issues multiply fast. According to Neighbor.com, startup costs range between $2 million and $5 million, and that's just to open the doors. Number 3. Ice machines need constant attention. An ice vending machine still needs electricity, plumbing, permits, and constant monitoring. Summer breakdowns hit hardest when demand spikes, and repairs aren't cheap. Location is everything. A bad one won't cover your costs. Units cost $20,000 to $150,000, and you're still managing the business. Number 4. Airbnb is a full-time service job. Short-term rentals are sold as a simple way to earn money from your home, but running an Airbnb is like managing a hotel. Cleanings, restocking, damage control, and guest communication are non-stop. Local laws and taxes only make it harder. According to AirDNA, the average U.S. Airbnb host earned $14,000 in 2023, with average monthly revenue around $4,300 before expenses. Number 5. Faceless YouTube still takes real effort. Uploading AI-generated videos might sound passive, but creating content that actually gets views takes serious work. You'll need scripts, voiceovers, thumbnails, editing, SEO, and a schedule. Even if you outsource, someone has to steer the channel. Without consistency and strategy, you're just feeding the algorithm, not making money. Number 6. Vending machines require hustle. People say vending machines are set it and forget it. But that's only true until the snacks expire, drinks leak, or the cash box jams. Machines need regular refills, cleaning, and cash pickups, often several times a week. One machine won't make much. Dozens mean driving routes and hands-on hustle. It's more active than most jobs, just with candy bars instead of emails. A close friend has 300-plus vending machines. He and his wife say it isn't passive until you have over $1 million in sales. They both work a lot of hours and have a staff of 3. Number 7. Micro-markets run on inventory, not autopilot. Micro-markets are vending's high-tech cousin, usually placed in offices or apartments. But they still need inventory, theft prevention, and software maintenance. You'll be restocking shelves and solving problems, not sitting back and relaxing. Startup costs range from $10,000 to $20,000 plus, and success depends on landing high-traffic spots. Number 8. Amazon KDP isn't instant money. Publishing ebooks sounds like mailbox money, but getting sales takes more than hitting upload. You need keywords, solid writing, good covers, and constant promotion. One book won't cut it, and bad reviews can sink your income fast. Publishing.com reports most new authors earn under $500 per year, while top earners with multiple titles can make over $10,000. I have thought about turning the financial freedom category of my site into several books. I've been offered 5 figures to do so. But I am retired, so I am not interested in the work it takes to promote the books. Number 9. Credit card machines aren't set and forget. Selling credit card terminals sounds easy until you're chasing store placements, dealing with cancellations, or handling technical issues. Margins are thin, and if a business closes, your income from that terminal disappears instantly. Add in compliance updates, software problems, and customer service, and it's anything but passive. These machines only make sense with volume, and volume means management. Number 10. Self-serve car washes demand daily oversight. These setups might seem low effort, but daily cleanup, clogged hoses, frozen lines, and vandalism are part of the deal. You're managing equipment and real estate, and both need constant attention. If you outsource operations, profit margins shrink fast. Startup costs can exceed $400,000, and it still won't run itself. What passive income really looks like. Most so-called passive income streams start with hard work, not hands-off profit. You're either managing systems, solving problems, or paying someone else who is. Real passive income comes later, after you've built something that doesn't need you every day. If you're chasing easy, you're not chasing passive. You're chasing disappointment. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.